So, yeah, ito yung open, puro hotel, modern buildings na ito dito sa may harbor front. Still looking for good place to have lunch. Ayan na, mga souvenir shops. Halifax #1 souvenir shops. Close already? Lunch na nga tayo, dinner. We don't know kasi nasa harbor front na ito ng Halifax. So looking for seafood restaurant. Pero yung pinakamahal kasi unang-una pinakamahal. Pangalawa, fully booked sila for I think for almost the whole of the night. So we're looking for other alternatives. So yung nakita ng People Wharf Kitchen Market Patio. So we're looking at the menu. And obviously, katabi ng dagat. So, hindi naman siguro pagkadampot, luto. Hindi naman siguro. Pero, sisilipin natin kung anong meron sila. Talagang parang fisherman's wharf talaga, no?
Seaman lolok.
Yeah, seaman. Kasi ang linaw. Freezing cold yan for sure. So ito yung bay. And knowing Nova Scotia, ito yung entry point ng buong Europe and Africa papunta dito sa Canada. Then from Nova Scotia, ita-travel din lahat ng goods by train all over Canada. So that includes Vancouver, which is on the other side on the Pacific Ocean. This is Atlantic Ocean. Alright, so kain muna tayo. Gutom na ako, di ako makapagsalita na. Isa sa mga Owen Square din sa harbor front. Nakadeck lang sila. Ito yung pambagong modern design eh. So actually, we went to Cable Wharf 3:30 to 9, no? Nakalagay. So, nasa lang ng oras kami, pero gutom na ako. So, yeah, ito yung open, puro hotel, modern buildings na ito dito sa may harbor front. still looking for a good place to have lunch. Alam ko sa kabila yung mga ferry boat eh. Pwede yung mga historical stuff nila. Oh. Minsan ito the last steps. Yan. The signboard. We are in search of kainan. So we're just walking around dito sa may Harbourfront area. Madami naman choices, pero sarado. And second thing is, hindi naman lahat ng mahal, masarap.
Maglalakad nga pala tayo dito bukas, ano?
So, yung nadaanan namin na restaurant, yun ang pupuntahan namin ngayon. Hopefully, masarap siya. Hopefully. So, ito yung downtown Halifax. So, yeah, so all the way. Matulog na tayo ah. Oops. All the way up. Dito tayo dumaan. All the way up, ano yan, Citadel. Fort. Ito kasi, remember, ito yung entry point sa Canada from the Atlantic. So, yan yung mga ginawa nilang fort protection from invasion, blah, blah, blah. So, all that. Meron sila dito. Kasi nga, nabagit ko ito yung easternmost, apart from Newfoundland and Labrador, easternmost province ng Canada, where yung shipbuilding is their major industry here. Yun. So we're just walking around downtown Halifax. We're walking and... Ito ba yun? Balik ka, dito tayo. May napansin nyo siguro, no, for most of the videos that we're taking, a lot of snow around kasi nag-snowstorm dito 2 weeks ago. Talagang 6-footer yung kapal. And napansin din namin na napakagaling nila maglinis sa kalsada, mag-asin kasi malinis. May mga area sa pag ganito napakadumi, puro slush pa rin. Pero dito very clear. Siguro kasama na yun na they know their topography ng province or ng city. Kaya they have to be very quick to clean it up kasi magkaroon ng aksidente. Kaya napansin sa road videos nitong vlog na to, clear yung ano, talagang super dry pa nga yung mga kalsada. Kahit na bundok-bundok ng snow ang meron dito sa Halifax. Ito nyo, no? Nire-restore nila yung lumang building. Nilagigibain. Ang layo sa Pilipinas. Pag super bulok na, ginigiba. Dito, yung mga lumang building, 100 years old, pinoprotektahan nila. So, even if i-renovate nila, i-keep nila yung historical part of the building. Kita mo, pinoprotektahan nila yung walls na hindi bumatak, hindi bumagsak. Kaya ganyan na pagkakagawa niya. So yung loob is bago, yung labas is original. Interesting. Yan, so we just had our lunch, quick lunch sa Blue Nose. Just right across the, ayun o, nasa dulo yun. Just right across the Harbourfront in front of the law courts ng Nova Scotia Court of Appeal and Supreme Court. And then I just saw this. I thought of letting you know, yung napaliwanag ko kanina, this is how they keep the historical buildings. So may historical buildings sa baba. This is 100-year-old already. Look at the architecture. And then papatungan nila ng bago. So it's a hybrid of historical building and then the new building on top. Alright, and ang maganda pa dito sa area ng downtown, nakapila. Lahat ng pupuntahan nandito lang malapit, isang hilera, just right of the harbor, just right in front of the harbor. So dito ang punta namin sa may historic properties. Parang properties ang basa ko doon. Historic properties, Market Mall. Doon natin pasukin mamaya sa likod. Tapos dito ang punta natin sa Purdy's Wharf. Mapapasin puro warehouse ng mga fisherman, ano? And then this one, ito yung kilalang old district nila dito. Ayan. Alright, yeah. Dito may mga parties dito. I think Christmas, puno to ng Christmas decoration. Pero ito yung pinaka, na-imagine nyo pag bagong dating yung mga mahing isda, dito sila magkakagulo, mag-gather, magbebentahan siguro or something. Andito din yung mga pub, yung pagkagaling sa pahingisda, dito sila tatambay, mag-iinuman, blah blah blah. So yan, itong area na to. And again, like what I said, this is just in front of some of the downtown buildings, modern tsaka mga bago, yan, no? Alright, so like what I said, pubs. Kita niyo pa yung mga snow, galing pa yan sa winter snow. Kaya bundok-bundok pa, winter snow. Winter storm. Winter storm. May shops. Ayan na, mga souvenir shops. Halifax #1 souvenir shops. Close already? Baka sa loob. Di ba sa mall yan, Market Mall? Sa loob ang access yan. Build Nova Scotia. So some of these are also offices. See? Kita dito yung office sa loob ng building. Oh, nice, no? Lapit lang. Kaya advisable din, ha. If you can, kung mura din lang, kumuha kayo ng mura at magandang hotel lapit sa downtown. Yan. So lahat sila may pockets of the dock. Pockets of the dock na ginagawa niya mga restaurant. So ito one of the many docks here. One of the many docks. Tapos hotel na yun. Ito, ika. I can't imagine the temperature ng water. Yeah. There, see? Yun. All this, pag summer, puno ito ng lamesa. Puno ito ng lamesa, inuman, patio. Gusto pa naman ng mga Canadians sa mga patio dining. Outdoor dining, yan. Tapos yung mga hotel. Salty sa mga restaurant yan. And we are in the docks of Halifax. And yung kabila na yun, they call it the Dartmouth. Dartmouth or Dartmouth? I don't know. Kung hindi ko na check, pero yun ang tawag nila sa kabilang city na yan. And they will just have to cross that bridge. So two cities in one basically, but Halifax is the capital of Nova Scotia. Right, so Marriott andyan na lahat, pati dun sa kabila. Andun din yung yung Canada sign. Naghanap kami ng ng Nova Scotia sign, pero wala kaming makita. Anyhow, so we will just roam around the harbor, the deck or the port, whatever they call it. Kahit malamig, it's right now it's -4. -4. And we're going as planned for today. Kasi we only have today for Halifax. I think meron kaming a bit tomorrow. Going to the museum, then we'll take it from there. Ayan, so yun yung ferry. Kita nyo yung ferry? I hope you're seeing that one. Yun yung ferry. Marami sa atin sa Pinas na ganyan, ano? Yung tatawid lang. So ito ang tawid is from Halifax side papunta sa Dartmouth. Yan, doon ang Dartmouth. Which is basically just across the, ano ba to? Bay ba to or what? Tapos makikita niyo mga shipbuilding industries andun sa dulo. So ito yung tinatawag nila na Halifax Harbor Walk. Alright, so pero dito yung mga murals. And kasi ito yung Marriott sa likod namin. Marriott. So it's just the harbor here. Medyo talagang malamig lang. Diba no? Anong may sinasabi kanina?
Bukas. Sakay tayo bukas doon. Sakay papunta pabalik lang.
Sa ferry? Eh dito yung lakad tayo sa kabila para makita natin kung magkano.
Para ma-experience na.
So, tayo natin doon kung ano experience ang gusto mo dyan.
Yeah, para tayong kasi I miss Guadalupe. Punta pala, punta?
Punta. Yung bangka papunta ng Punta Santa Ana.
Oo.
Ayan.
Hindi, nami-miss ko rin yung Abra sa Dubai.
Canada sign.
Oh,
Ayan, hop.
welcome to Canada.
Ayan, ready. Pumasok kami sa Market Mall. Ayan. Oh, good thing din is pag winter walang ganong tao. Ayan, can you imagine kung gaano kadami tao dito kapag summer. Right, so mga shops, souvenir shops mostly. Mga sweets andito. Ayan na. Ito gusto nyo para souvenir kasi kailangan ng ref magnet. Lumang wharf ito, na-renovate nila. So dito tayo sa Cool Asamus souvenir shops. Go! Spent few minutes in the souvenir shop and then we were able to get some, and then hopefully there's still enough light outside so we can still take photos. And at the moment after taking photos outside, just seeing the harbor front mostly, we'll go back to, as planned, we'll go back to the hotel and probably leave some equipment there, camera equipment, and then we'll be back for dinner in the harbor front. So we'll see you there. All right.